Hi there, how is going? Zubayer here, and today we will discuss about consent mode V2 setup without any CMP. So we will not pay to any CMP, or we will not pay monthly subscription fee. We will set up the consent mode V2 free of cost. So let me start. For the consent mode V2, at first we need to display a consent banner with 3 buttons like the allow all, deny all, or maybe save preference. Then based on the consent banner, we will set the consent data like allow data or deny data on the browser storage. Then we can set up consent mode V2 using the data, and I will use Google Tag Manager to show the banner and for the whole system. I am on the Google Tag Manager. So at first we need a tag. Let me go to the tag. At first we need a tag to display the banner. So I have used this one. This is a custom HTML. I have used this script to show the banner, and let me run the tag and let me preview. Okay, let's preview. Okay, it is connecting. Okay, this one the consent banner. Now it has 3 buttons like customize, reject all, and accept all. You can customize, like you can just allow the analytic cookie or advertising cookie or maybe other cookie, or you can just deny all, or you can allow all. So let's try allow all. Okay, now let's check the data. In here I see GTM consent update, and I can also see the consent data on the local storage. So let me go to application, then local storage. Here it is. Yeah, this one. So when someone allow the add storage, it will show one. Same for the other cookies. Now based on this value, we can set up consent mode V2. And I have used some custom JavaScript variable to get the add storage and other data on the GTM. Then we will set up the tag to send the consent mode V2 data. So this one add storage, it will capture the data from the local storage and give the output like the granted or denied, and this one for analytic, and this one for another, and this one for personalization storage. Okay, now I have a trigger to track the click of this banner like this one, and okay, now I have set up the consent mode default and update tag to set the actual consent data. So let me show you what's going on. So let me preview again. Okay, I have already accepted, so the value is 1, not 0. When I deny, it will be 0. And let me check here. I have the value is add storage like granted, then add storage like denied, granted. Now if I change the cookie like the another, so let me deny. Okay, let me just allow advertising and save preference. Now let's check the data on application, then local storage. I see the add storage 1, another storage 0. Now if I check also here, I see the another storage is deny. Sorry. Now it is working perfectly, and I can also check the consent data here. So consent, everything is okay. Now if I allow again everything, so allow all. Now I get again the event, and I see the consent mode already everything granted. So consent mode V2 is working perfectly. Now we can set this consent mode V2 data to Google Ads and analytic, and maybe for the Facebook pixel and TikTok pixel and more. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.